Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this box of Lifestyles Ultra Sensitive, Natural Feeling, Natural Rubber Latex Condoms. 36 pack. Let's go. Probably one of the best investments you can make in your life. Helps you save money, time. All right, cool. So it's already open. Let's go. And oh. Wow. Very bright packaging, perforated, individual lot numbers, expiration dates, manufacturing and fab location, Thailand. Let's go. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy these from. And hope you're all doing well. All right, catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.